Hello everybody. Today we will be working with Christmas ornaments. I decided to make something new from the old ornaments that I found in my basement. Instead of going and buying a new one, you can just create something on your own. So let's start it. First we're gonna do the fluffy one. What we need? We need some old Christmas ornament that we don't like. Why would you throw it away, since we can make something new from it? A piece of fur. It can be a real fur from the old handbag, or can be an artificial fur. The fur imitation, whatever, something fluffy. That's the point. Here I have pearls, imitation of pearls, of course, and some imitation of jewelry. It can be some crystals, rhinestones, whatever you have on hand. This is a strap, leather strap. This you can probably you have from at home. You must have some old necklaces. And what's this? This is I call it a jewel. It's going to be a little decoration for our ornament. It can be, for example, a charm, which we use to make bracelets. Anything that comes to your head. Shiny, sparkling, of course glue gun. We're gonna work with the glue gun today, so we have to be careful. Some scissors. Okay, so as you've seen before, I removed the little part, the plastic part, because this ornament is plastic. I don't like to play with the glass because it's a little bit dangerous. I removed the part that you connect the hook, and let's start it. We have to wrap around our fur, around the bulb or bubble. Okay, and now we have to find the best way to do it, and this is the best way. Why? Because when we connect it this way, see, it's we're going only 2 spaces left. Let's cut it. Yep, it's a fur. It's gonna be a little mess. Okay, and let's put some glue. Be careful, these glue guns are really hot. You can mess your fingers with them, trust me. I had to work with the glue gun the hard way. You have to do it piece by piece. I'm gonna speed up a little bit because it would take forever. My videos are a little bit long. Why? Because I want you to see how I do it, and if you have a chance, you can do it with me, following my steps. I used to watch a lot of YouTube videos, and the one that are short and everything is speed up, sometimes it's hard to see what the person is doing, and sometimes you just have to figure it out. And I would like you to see very clearly what I'm doing, so you don't have to rewind it and watching it over and over and over again. This way it's much easier. See, we have only 2 spots left. Make it nice and tight. I don't like to throw away the old stuff. I'm the kind of person that keep everything because I always think that I can use it for some thing. And I hate to throw especially Christmas ornaments because they are pretty expensive. If you want to get something nice and new, they can be expensive, you know that. And why would I throw them away since I can make something out of them? And you can too. Okay, these ornaments that I'm making, you don't have to put them only on a Christmas tree. You can use them for to make a wreath, or put them on the table, hang them on the wall, hang them to the ceiling, in front of the door. Really, you can use them in many ways. It doesn't have to go on the Christmas tree. Okay, make it tight. Okay, now we have a fluffy pom-pom. And we have to decorate it. So what goes nice with the fur? Of course, pearls. I have some pearls imitations, of course, and I don't remember how I got them. Probably I just cut some old Christmas ornaments on parts, and this is how I got them. Probably they coming from the old Christmas ornaments. Like I said, I keep everything. Okay, so now with the help of the glue gun, let's put our pearls. The idea to make this ornament, it came from the royal wardrobe. I was watching the movie and I've seen the Queen Elizabeth wearing this fur, and the one that she had was like red ruby color, and it was decorated with pearls. It looked awesome, beautiful, and I said, well, why not? Let's try to make something for the Christmas tree with fur and pearls. Okay, so now working with the glue gun, it's a great thing because you just you don't have to wait for the glue to dry too long, and that the job is done really fast. The only thing that I don't like is like These little strings, I call it like a spider web, that it's coming from the glue gun. These are little strings of the glue which forming. I don't know why it's happening, but they are very, very easy to remove. So don't worry about them. They are so tiny, like hair, human hair. Okay. See, that's what I'm picking right now. It looks like a spider web. Okay, this is a part when you connect the hook for the ornament. This is the part that I took off at the beginning. Now I have to put it back. Nice and tight. More spider web. Okay, now our jewels. These are little crystals. Which you connect same way as the pearls before. Okay, don't be stingy, use a lot of them, but don't put too much, because if you use too much of crystals or ribbons on, it doesn't look good, because everything is like becoming one piece. Okay. Yeah, if there is a big gap, you can add something more. Looks like there is enough. Let's pick this spider web. Okay, now, and this is a leather strap, which I'm going to use instead of the hook. I don't like this metal or steel or whatever they made of hooks. I'd rather use this kind of straps or tiny ribbons. And that is my suggestion. It would also look beautiful if you have a red fur or navy blue, the dark navy blue. That would look really, really good. Okay, and this is our jewel, which gonna go on the bottom of the ornament. Yeah, we have to just find the middle part of the bulb, more or less. Here you can use the like I said at the beginning, the charms that they use to make jewelry. They look good with that. Okay, let's wait for the glue to dry. there it is. We have brand new Christmas ornament. Okay, let's go to the next one.